See these pigs? They're adorable, but they're also part of a breakthrough in scientific development. They're clones that have been genetically modified to have organs that can be compatible with those of humans. So far, 6 people in America have received pig organs, and recently the FDA approved a clinical trial of these organs. There are over 100,000 people on waiting lists for an organ, most of them needing a kidney, but only about 25,000 kidneys were donated last year. So 2 biotech companies have begun carefully raising these pigs to save humans. If doctors can make these pig organ transplants work, it's going to be a real game changer for people with kidney failure. It could remove the need for dialysis, which is a really grueling treatment regimen. So let's look at the 6 people who have received pig organs so far. The first 2 patients were very ill, and it was really the last treatment option that was available to them. Both of them received pig hearts. Both of them also did not survive for very long. Their survival rates may not have inspired confidence in the public, but the scientists were actually encouraged because none of them had the worst outcome, which would have been immediate rejection of the organ. The next 2 patients received kidneys. Rick Slayman was actually doing quite well. He left the hospital, but he died in 2 months. Lisa Pisano was very ill. She only survived for 3 months. And halfway through that period, they actually had to remove the kidney. Doctors weren't discouraged because they were learning with each procedure. As one of them noted to me, the first human-to-human heart recipient only survived for about 2 weeks. So the doctors were eager to do transplants in healthier patients who were more likely to survive and benefit. Tawana Looney received a pig's kidney. She almost immediately was transformed. She had lots of energy. She could walk 9 or 10 city blocks. She could eat a full meal for the first time in years. She has now been living with a pig's kidney for 3 months. Tim Andrews received a pig's kidney. He is also doing incredibly well, and this is him leaving the hospital. There's still a lot of unknowns. We don't know who's going to pay for this and whether it can be scaled up. There's still some questions about whether these kidneys will be distributed equitably. There's a risk that a virus or a pathogen could cross from the pigs into humans and spread. But the main question that scientists want to know is, can it improve people's quality of life? For people who are on dialysis and waiting for a kidney and know the wait could be long and that they could never get there, this offers tremendous hope.